What's up guys, this is Sun. Hope you are doing well. In this video I will be unboxing MI Focus Cube. Let's unbox it. I ordered it from MI store, MI app, and this is MI Focus Cube, and it's having an innovative design. As it is mentioned, it is given that it is lightweight, portable, and stress reliever, smooth finish, and also it is innovative for everyone. It is innovation for everyone. And this side is written MI Focus Cube, and this side here some specification are mentioned, and this side also written MI Focus Cube. Okay, we'll unbox a little later. And these are the MI roller ball pen refill. And this pen I have finished. I bought this from MI India, and just it is finished. That for that reason I ordered the pen refill, and I ordered it two packet I ordered, and these two, and we'll a little later, after unboxing this MI Focus Cube, we'll unbox this pen refill, and we'll insert this pen's refills inside the pen. This is how it has come, and here you can see that a manual how to make a cube. Okay, the procedure here it is given, the product review as well it's given. Okay, and now let's try to make a cube. But before that, let me say you what is the purpose of buying this. And as you know that it is MI Focus Cube is for the trace, it is for only for the trace blaster, and also it is lightweight and portable and innovative. It's having that innovative design and smooth, having also smooth finish. Okay, and this is what these are here you'll have to use to make a cube, and you'll have to focus, or you'll have to use your that complete attentiveness to make a cube. Okay, and it is also designed. Okay, let's first make a cube, and here we'll take the help of this manual to make a cube. And here you can see that MI Focus, as it is mentioned, that MI Focus Cube is a fun and handheld gadget with nearly unlimited combinations and smooth to touch, and the cube is compact, portable, and constructed entirely from safe non-polluting materials through high precision molding and user built and customized, and the Focus Cube will really bring out your creative. Now this is how you can fix, and you can play and you can focus also, and this is how you can do it. Okay, that's it. And this is the focus cube. Now it's the time for unpacking this MI roller ball pen refill. Roller ball pen refill. Let's unpack it. Okay. Let's take out one. And as you can see that here it is mentioned, it is manufactured by Shenzhen Somi Plus, and technology and flow all this mentioned, and it is imported by Xiaomi Technology India Private Limited. And smooth writing, quick drying, imported ink it is, and I think it is having this is how it looks. Okay, let's insert this pen refill inside the pen and try it out. Okay, as you can see, let's remove this. Let's try to write. Okay, that's it. I bought this too, you can see.